What's going on, everyone? It's Kevin here, and you've already read the thumbnail, you saw the title, and we're just going to dive right in. So with iOS 17, there is a new feature that allows Siri to read websites to you. So if we open Safari, and if we tap on the two A icons in our search bar, then we get a section that says Listen to Page. If you tap on that, then Siri is going to read the entire website to you.
Coming next year reportedly will still lag behind AirPods Pro features, lack H2 chip. Benjamin Mayo. The current AirPods Max headphones have not been revised since their introduction in December 2020, whereas AirPods Pro have seen multiple updates in hardware and software. Bloomberg has previously reported that Apple will update AirPods Max with USB-C and new color options later next year. We had assumed this would also be the time to bring them up to speed with the AirPods Pro feature set. But apparently, that won't be the case.
And if you want to stop her, there would be controls in order to stop her in case you are in a quiet setting. Pretty quick tip. And if you found this helpful, do all of the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.